Picture windows are a stunning addition to Eagle homes. With their large, unobstructed glass panels, they frame beautiful outdoor views and flood interiors with natural light. Because picture windows are fixed, they don't open, many homeowners assume installation is straightforward. In reality, proper installation is one of the most important factors affecting how well your picture window performs over time. In Eagle's climate, with cold winters, warm summers, and seasonal temperature shifts, expert installation directly impacts comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. Maximizing energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose picture windows is energy performance. Since they don't open, they can provide an airtight seal when installed correctly. However, even the most energy-efficient glass won't perform properly if gaps exist around the frame. Professional installation ensures precise measurements for a tight fit, proper insulation around the window, opening high-quality sealants to prevent air leaks, secure flashing to block moisture intrusion. When installed correctly, picture windows minimize heat loss in winter and reduce solar heat gain in summer. In Eagle's colder months, this helps keep warm air inside. During warmer periods, it helps maintain a cooler indoor environment without overworking your HVAC system. Preventing air leaks and drafts. Even small gaps around a window frame can allow outside air to enter your home. In winter, this can create uncomfortable cold spots. In summer, it can let in warm air that disrupts indoor comfort. Because picture windows are often larger than standard windows, improper installation can magnify these issues. A slightly misaligned frame or poorly sealed perimeter can lead to noticeable drafts. Professional installers carefully level and square the window, ensuring a snug, airtight fit. This attention to detail is especially important in Eagle, where seasonal temperature fluctuations can cause building materials to expand and contract. Protecting against moisture damage. Moisture intrusion is another major concern. Rain and snow can find their way into improperly sealed openings, leading to water damage to interior walls, mold growth, wood rot, structural deterioration. Proper flashing and waterproof barriers are essential during installation. These components direct water away from the window opening and protect your home's framing. In Eagle's climate, where snow accumulation and spring rains are common, professional moisture management is critical for long-term performance. Maintaining structural integrity. Picture windows are typically large and heavy due to their expansive glass area. Without proper support and secure anchoring, the frame can shift over time. Improper installation may cause frame balance, seal failure between glass panes, cracks in surrounding drywall. Experienced installers reinforce the opening as needed and ensure the window is securely fastened. This structural stability helps maintain both performance and appearance for years to come. Enhancing long-term durability. High-quality picture windows often include advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features deliver maximum benefit only when installation is done correctly. Poor installation can void manufacturer warranties and reduce the lifespan of your investment. Choosing skilled professionals protects both your home and your warranty coverage. Improving overall comfort. When properly installed, picture windows provide consistent indoor temperatures, reduced outside noise, clear, unobstructed views, improved natural lighting. The combination of airtight sealing and structural precision ensures that your window performs as beautifully as it looks. A smart investment for Eagle Homes. Picture windows are a striking architectural feature, but their true value lies in performance. In Eagle, where climate conditions demand strong insulation and moisture protection, professional installation makes all the difference. By ensuring precise fit, secure sealing, and proper structural support, expert installation allows your picture window to deliver lasting comfort, efficiency, and durability, helping you enjoy both the view and the performance for years to come.